How are you saying for?
I'm great.
Nothing little in there, is there?
I'm great.
Plastic bottles, plastic pollution.
Tackling the scourge of plastic.
Coffee cups,
Plastic bottles,
Plastic
chopsticks.
Everyone has woken up to the need for action.
even as far away as change is happening. Well, they're birds. Are fantastic animals. Yes, well, I think they're called boobies because booby also means something foolish. Don't be a big booby.
Booby means clown. Their big blue feet are an important part of the costume.
And the blue-footed booby.
Blue feet are important because the blue colour is hard to make, especially if the birds are in poor condition. It's an honest indicator of good health.
Wonderful blue feet.
So, they show them off.
And these booby birds, when they're on land, do behave in rather, if you're a human being, you think it's rather odd and sort of silly way. Part of the courtship display of the blue booby is that the male blue booby will lift up his blue feet to the female and say, look, these are, without question, the bluest feet you're ever likely to see, girl.
The truth is that boobies have a roving eye, and those blue feet tend to wander, and one thing leads to another.
And she says, oh, not so sure, mine aren't all that bad either. And they do this charming little foot display of their feet. You might think that perhaps a bit boobyish, but anyway.
He doesn't react.
The raven retreats.
The actions of any just one of us may seem to be trivial and to have no effect. We hoped that, well, they're birds, would open people's eyes to the damage that we are doing to our oceans and the creatures that live in them. With thousands more of you than ever before picking up rubbish, families change their habits, search for ways to reduce their single-use plastic footprint. But the knowledge that there are thousands, hundreds of thousands of people who are doing the same thing, that really does have an effect. So please join us. Yes, they're very, very responsible crew.